Guys, I feel the pressure. I really think this is going to be a big one, though. My stock suggestion today is a company called Nimble Storage. The symbol is NMBL. I hope I said that right. Nimble Storage. Look at that chart. You can see it had a huge day today. In fact, it traded 1.5 million shares. Normally trades 800,000 shares. Up in part to some takeover rumors. I'm not as worried about that as the fact that I think these guys have gotten their act together. Flash storage, what that means for businesses, less rack space, faster performance. They say like zero chance of any downtime, 99.999%. Last 4 quarters, they've beaten the street. And they're not making money yet, but fiscal year 17, which is a January year, they should make 23 cents. That's up from 21 cents on the street estimates. It's all about data storage. We're generating data. Even as I speak, we're generating all this data. First quarter revenues were up 53%. Gross margins went to 67%. 100 clients that spent $100,000 with them or more was up 142%. Enterprise service businesses all going through the roof. Technically, close above 30, particularly with this kind of volume we saw today, would be magnificent. I think 36 would be probably a good place, looking for a move to the upside. Now, remember, this stock traded as high as 55 in the last year. So, Matt, there is more upside to this one.
There really is. I mean, you never buy a stock because you think it's going to be bought out. But this is right, in my opinion. There's going to be a lot more consolidation in big tech. Technically, not only today, but the last about 8 or 9 days, we've had big volume coming in. That tells me there's something going on behind the scenes. So I like this high reward, high risk, but I like it here, especially close above 30.
What do you think, Chris?
Well, I like storage. I like cloud. I like all that. What I heard you say, Charles, was, to the business unit, the person using it, they're going to be constantly up, cheaper for them to buy. That's a win-win.
Yeah, that rack space, that physical rack space, having to build it out, I think that's an old, antiquated business model. What do you make some of these deals that happen and they're not so secret anymore? What happened to Reg FD and all of that stuff, Jim? Because I got to tell you something. Almost every day I'll see a stock trade, a lot of volume, and then the next day there's an upgrade, there's news. I feel like 90% of the news on Wall Street is already leaked, and so nothing has really changed.
Well, yeah, you are correct. There's a very powerful investment community, institutional investment community, that is very diligent in seeking out an edge. What I will say, though, the SEC's computer systems have become excellent in flagging these and prosecuting them very
So in other words, when you get the money, spend it and have fun, because they'll come get you a year later. No wonder you keep that tan up.
I'm spending it.
Go buy a big boat, right?
All right, guys.